Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to deactivate Instacart shopper account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you want to deactivate your Instacart shopper account, you can follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. So first, what you need to do is decide if deactivation is necessary, and then once you are done, what you need to do is head over to your Instacart app and then open it. And once you are here on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your profile icon. Tap on that, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on settings. Now once you're inside here settings, under business account, you'll find the option that says personal information. Tap on that, and then on tapping it here, you'll find the option that says delete account. As Instacart does not provide a direct deactivate account button in the app, so what you need to do is you'll need to contact their support team to request a deactivation. So what you need to do is go back, and then under business here, you'll find the option that says help. Tap on that, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is choose a relevant topic, example accounts and settings. Explain that you like to deactivate your account and include your reason for doing so. And number 3 is confirm your identity. Instacart may require additional information to verify your identity before processing your request, like full name, email address associated with the account, and phone number. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is wait for confirmation. Once you have submitted your request, it will process it and send you a confirmation email. This may take a few days, and once that's done, you can uninstall the app as well. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.